Oh, my God. When I don't fail, we have failed. We have all failed. I'll go repeat that again. I don't get problem with any Nigerian artist. If you not like you not pay them 1 billion francs CFA. Now wait till they born we for. That's what we know. How to support other people. Then we save more die hungry. No problem. That one, I don't accept that one already. If you not want to give them 2 billion, I be don't cry that cry since. I know the cry again. Lie, illa lie, on a lie. Una want even dash them land or maybe dash them one city. Say the one a Malian city or the one OBO residence. Now una work. Una know na that kind of thing. Una know harmful. Support other people now. Una brother. That's what Cameroon is made for. But I'm still saying I have no problem if Africa could be one. Then it's something I dreamt of. I think one time I wrote it on Twitter. That was one thing I dream of for Africa to come together. But when we come to a situation where it only been a one-sided, at that time it find some more. But even though we don't accept and say okay, we Cameroonians we don't accept and say okay, only the thing we find. Only the thing we two wanna like them. We go begin try the thing, the go small. Maybe one day we go reach level for the people where now wanna believe in. Me, I don't tell people cry that cry. I don't go kill myself. We not go kill yourself for satisfy people where maybe the name still see. But like I'm saying, I still talk say I get fans the way they be loyal. I get fans the way they be die-hard fans. I got a lot of Kosi fans the way they be die-hard fans, and I see them, I know them when I see them, I know them. I know the one the way they come for here, go talk for this side, go talk, I know. We don't accept say who no fit sing. Now them fit sing. Now the way una fit pay the high money, no problem. We don't accept them. I don't go count open unity class. More na still learn how to love on ourselves. More na still learn how to love on ourselves in the sense say, even if some person hook up tomorrow to say it be like this or it the dream for be like this. The country don't already be for where the country is a dream killer. The country they kill dreams. And it don't even be enough say the country they kill dreams. The youths themselves, the youths in particular, the youths themselves, they kill themselves with toxic words. Toxic, that means, toxic mentality. If my brother say big pass that other man, I go support my brother say big pass the person. Whether I big pass the person for real life or you know big pass the person for real life, just the fact that I want to show this man say, okay, for inside my house, we be you, we love ourselves, we promote ourselves. If my brother say big pass that man, I go stand for you say, yes, you big pass that man. Even if for my head, maybe, hey, if you see say no big pass you, I will stand for your back. So when I stand for your back, wait at the shoulder man. At the shoulder other man say, unity there for you, strength there for you. But when my brother say big pass that man, they instead hook up for it. Suited a person, they can't talk how I get for can't teach you now half teach you now love. Ah, Papa got the hey. Che. Another person in common can say we can't teach you how to love ourselves. Oh no. I know can't teach me. You don't see and say una say self una be wayward. Una say una be wayward. As una they like them so una know one they like them. Una they like them over so because say their own people don't lift them for up. Their people don't carry them so lift them for up so una stay for up there. Una big pass American artists them. Una big pass all Africa. Una be the China. Una stay for up there. Their people don't really carry them so put them for up there. Now why the one they love them now? For una see how una fit carry una own to put them for up there. No. Una match them. Now they go help people where already they were already still push. You why are you pushing? Una push is una fool. Una fool na self. Una fool na self big time. So that's why I say we the youth, especially English Cameroon, una don't fail. The youths una don't fail. So now this kind of mentality, that part of everything for live power. With this kind of mentality. For live power, may youth go rule it. With this kind of mentality. No iota of unity, no iota of love. The other day I watched video. I almost cried. I watched video where someone can't talk say, no, only two people. You know the one and the other one. And then the person where they stand for the man in front where the man they talk say, you know only two people for Cameroon. He did they laugh. Very stupid. I don't know when I put our front and very stupid. You did it, you laugh. Because say some man can talk say for inside your country, you know only you one. And some other person, it sweet you. For you for stand for the tell the man say, no, bro. For inside here, we get talented people. We get talented artists them. Watch their videos. Check their YouTube. Their name na this. Their name na this. Their name na this. Not be only me one. You did it, you laugh. Open at 32 dirty teeth. You laugh. You laugh with it. You did laugh your stupidity. You dull. You over dull. That was the right time for you to tell that man that no, in this country, we have this, we have A, we have B, we have C. It's not only me and the other person. So if they switch you, say they know you one. Now God don't catch us say now only you know. If they switch you, they laugh. So other one to be there, we gonna laugh. And then at the same person, after I don't see her, I don't open at 32 teeth, the laugh. Now you see advice una. Say more na learn for push una self. Una no shame. Even at me, that the person will be hold that camera, the video. I go shame, I offer. I don't know how the video do go outside. Shame, you suppose don't do una. Delete that video. Person come for your country to say no, now only you and some other man. Una the laugh. He sweet you. How stupid. Me, I go for other country. Then when I go for other country, then before I want enter the country, I did make sure say I know who be the artist for that country. I don't go Gabon, Congo, Equatorial Guinea, most African country, plenty. I did make sure say I know who be the artist for that country because that thing must ever come for maybe any interview. It's a trap. Now trap for artists them. When you enter the country, I say who be the other artist the way you know them. When you don't say you don't know, you are in problem. You know can't again. So I always make sure say as I travel, man learn, man know who them be the artists today. That one come, the ask say who you know, maybe I don't know whether they make they ask you the question intentionally so that you go use to prove yourself. Say yes, na me. He say no, not only you and some other person you open your 32 teeth the laugh. He sweet you. You're laughing at your stupidity. You're dull. You don't get sense. And then after you don't finish laugh, now the same man for the same video, that very time, they still tell una say, una learn for support now. Because earlier as you laugh, so you don't really know say, una no love una self. Same way, when my brother say, if he be part of una jump onto your head, the person where they come to race and say, una no love una self. Now why the one car with pen and paper, una she done for teach now how they love. Una no dull, una no say so don't fail. Una don't fail. Una don't fail. Now I'm doing a concert to make my people smile even for 1 minute. Una hook up the compare them. Una normal. Can't you any person go just hook up your talk. Any person go just hook up caution. Say the only two will be good now. The only thing will be good for Cameroon. The only thing Cameroon is good at is their pepper. The only pepper will sabi do. Can't you a person go hook up talk her president so with the glad say Whiskey come for a palace. Now president get with the glad. Because they don't see and say una no love una self. They don't see and say una dey wayward. Wayward. Una dey wayward. Don't una want compare. Una want she don't say una go Now go stand them Sunday. You can never, no, una dream, no think am, una no fit, una no one, no fit. You know why? Because play where they don't push themselves up. They don't keep themselves up. Whether you work or you know work or you there. You are making money. You are developing your country. The money where you make them, you develop your country. You build health center. You build hospitals. You build roads. You contribute for maybe some social, community kind of work that you contribute as an artist. Because of the money where the people that were inside your country, they give you. But for you, no fit. You need to carry and give them. You don't agree so no sabi sing, no problem. When I begin give you a small, no problem. You no sabi sing. More begin tell with us small, the tell us small they go. But the one thing way I no go accept them. When I feel make joke about anything. When I feel joke about anything, I want joke with them for the life. May no man no joke about what you happen for Kumba. If you want compare yourself with your failure. Compare yourself with your friend the way they don't make up for life. You there on Facebook, we are 100 data every day. The toxic, I don't know, negativity. Compare yourself with them. But not compare anything we get for do Kumba. Because if the blood for the picking the way they lose their life, or people where they don't really lose their life for this thing since it fall onto your head, it go follow your whole generation. Wanna be very careful. Wanna be very, very careful with the thing the way they come up for now. You know me say they say as you be artist, you be robot, you be robot. You don't get heart again, you don't get feeling. You be artist, you are a human being as wanna be human being. Wanna be very, 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 very careful. We are doing this for our hometown. We are doing this for the place where we wanna cry for what will happen. Una the who call the talk how one boycott show for boy. You know stupid. Same una wanna cry. The same una. Oh, don't forget. Oh, now don't forget what happened today. Huh? My brother, any man where want attend a concert for boya, you are free. If you want to say you transport, go boya. Say you transport, go boya. But not try for misuse or maybe deceive other people from the town where something horrified happened, and they want to go there to support. They want to go there to smile. We are doing this to make them smile. We are doing this for Kumba to forget what happened in our own way. Will not be government. Will not be politician them. The only two will get on our voice. So that's the only way we can give back. Will not give back money because money una they give now other people will go the other side. But the least will get, like I said, I'm taking money from my pocket to put in this concert. No company. Look that flyer again. No company. Then they support me for this concert. No company. No company. Then they invest for this concert. Aside the close ones, the close friends them around me. Where they believe in what they do. Where they felt bad for what will happen for that time. Thank God Easy Group is coming in. Easy Group, the only big company where they come in. To bring stage, to bring light, to bring sound. But it's still paid for. But at least they get for, okay, because you like what you want to do. We like the initiative. We will support you. We will break the price into two. You pay. We now be very careful. Kumba 14 February. You'll be free. And we're giving it back to the people. We're giving it back to the people. Let them smile for once. Una dey una for a different side. So why they don't even dey inside the country where you see that they write that nonsense, they know they inside the country. Una don't know where it happen for here. Una don't know where it happen for here. Let the people smile for once. Let the people of Kumba wipe away their tears for what happened. That's my own way I can give back. That's the way the other artists that has accepted to accompany me, that's their own way to give back. And there are artists even on that flyer who are not even children from Kumba, but they have accepted to come to Kumba, perform in front of them, make them smile, make them happy for once. When I feel say I don't get time for do events in them. When I feel say I don't get time to follow my own personal project. But I'm doing this because at one point it's not always about the money. It's not always about the money. Because God need to forget person, we need to forget people. When I put that one for my head. Now all thing now I can't tell now. I love you guys so much. 14 February, like I said, Kumba, we are coming. And we are coming to share your burden. To let you all know that we are with you. Kumba will never forget you now. And we will never forget. I'm happy all the dignitaries of Kumba, the mayor, the SGO, all of them are into supporting and making sure that this thing goes well and successfully. Security, everything is ensured, everything will be intact. But we're giving back to the people. We're not stop for compare nonsense. Mona know when for play. Mona know the kind thing they will play with them. And the kind thing they will not play with them. If you don't get used for your data again, off your phone. Now, what's in that account for tell now?